Like, this is like a very, very... Oh my gosh, I left the light on. I'll go ahead and turn it off. Oh my gosh. Sorry, Nokia. Oh, there's my kitty. Okay. Okay, there. Okay, let me position my camera on the disconnect box. And I will go ahead and turn the unit on. In fact, I have a startup video of it, but that's already on the computer, but I'm trying to upload it. This is where it's loudest. It'll quiet down probably. I can put them down. The compressor quieted down. Going to turn it off. There's the refrigerant, the sling fan. Okay. There's that. And there is a reverse valve somewhere down here. Yeah, there's a reversing valve in it. It's a heat pump. It says it on the Let me see if it says it on the URL listing, because it says it on Energy Guide. I'm sorry about the orange peels. Yeah, it says... See? Don't... Yeah, it says heat pump on here, and it's got a reversing valve, and the URL listing says that well, URL listing doesn't say it, but of course it's got a reversing valve, and it says it on the Energy Guide. So this is a good unit. It's got a crankcase heater, which keeps the components warm, and it's just about to rain, so I better get in. So I just have to go in. And sorry about that. I know it's just there's the heater.